In which part of Asoka's empire were his inscriptions written in Kharoshthi script? Answer is option D, northwestern. What is the name of the device used to measure the speed and rate of flow of a fluid that is flowing in a pipe? Answer is option B, venturimeter. Which of the following was not built during the Tughlaq period? Answer is option A, Jama Masjid. Which shortcut key is used to paste the clipboard content in an MS Word document? Answer is option C, Control plus V. Which article of the Constitution of India deals with proclamation of emergency? Answer is option B, 352. Which of the following soils is found in areas of heavy rainfall and high humidity? Answer is option A, peaty soil. The folk song named Pankhida is traditionally associated with? Answer is option A, Rajasthan. The success of democracy depends on? Answer is option B, on the right of personal freedom. The process of ever increasing prices is called? Answer is option D, currency inflation. In which year was the currency devalued for the first time? Answer is option A, 1949. Sonar is mostly used in? Answer is option C, by naval operators. Which of the following substances gold can dissolve? Answer is option C, a mixture of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. The heaviest metal among the following is? Answer is option B, platinum. Maximum number of chromosomes are found in? Answer is option D, ophioglossomes. Which three Vedas are jointly called Vedatrayi? Answer is option C, Rig Veda, Samveda, Yajurveda. The Maurya ruler who sought a philosopher from Greece for his Rajya Sabha? Answer is option A, Bindusar. The Vesnagar pillar was constructed by? Answer is option C, Heliodorus. The exploding star is called? Answer is option A, supernova. The low pressure area at the center of a cyclone is known as the? Answer is option D, I. Which of the following lamps contains a poisonous gas and therefore should be disposed of safely? Answer is option A, compact fluorescent lamp. What is the name of the capital of Portugal? Answer is option C, Lisbon. Who is the author of the book Charitrahin? Answer is option B, Sarath Chandra Chattopadhyay. Which of the following weekly magazine was started by Gandhiji? Answer is option B, Young India. Who was famous as Deshbandhu? Answer is option A, Chittaranjan Das. Article 20 of the Constitution of India deals with? Answer is option B, protection in respect of conviction for offences. Which of the following is a vector quantity? Answer is option C, angular momentum. The filament of electric bulb is made of? Answer is option D, tungstens. How is sapphire known chemically? Answer is option A, aluminium oxide. What is the purest form of water? Answer is option B, rainwater. The movement of food to the different parts of a plant is through. Answer is option D, phloem. Which were the two major cities under the control of Chahamanas? Answer is option C, Delhi and Ajmer. Jahangir was the blank Mughal emperor of India. Answer is option B, fourth. What is the name of that is sheep cloned for the first time? Answer is option C, Dolly. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the languages recognized by the Constitution? Answer is option C, 8th schedule. Which bill act provided for the trial of European persons by Indian and sought equality between British and Indian judges in the country? Answer is option B, Ilbert Bill. Which of the following officials has the right to address the parliament even if it is not a member? Answer is option A, Attorney General of India. The study of flowers is called. Answer is option B, anthology. Which part of the body most likely get affected when microbes enter the body through nose? Answer is option D, lungs. What is the chemical name of green vitriol? Answer is option B, ferrous sulfate. What is used to test acid and base? Answer is option A, litmus paper. The pressure inside a soap bubble is? Answer is option C, more than atmospheric pressure. The image formed by a plane mirror is? Answer is option A, virtual and erect. The upper limit of layer where the entire space between the soil particles and the gap between the rocks is filled with water is called? Answer is option B, water table. Who discovered the law of multiple proportions? Answer is option D, John Dalton. In which Indian state is the UNESCO World Heritage Site Mahabodhi Vihara located? Answer is option B, Bihar. Which of the following states in India has the highest area under mangroves? Answer is option A, West Bengal. Which of the following sector contributed more to savings in India? Answer is option C, household sector. Market activities in the economy involve? Answer is option A, activities performed for pay or profit. If you want to open My Computer on your computer, you will press? Answer is option D, Windows plus E. Anuloma marriage of the Vedic period means? Answer is option C, man from higher caste with woman from lower caste.